think cyber insurance is important, but it is not a complete strategy in itself. Really what cyber insurance does is it lets you transfer risk. It's part of the solution, but it can't be relied on its own. It's really not sufficient. Well, I suppose the limitations come in the fine print of the policy. In reality, I think a lot of companies have found that their insurance premiums have risen significantly over the last few years, certainly, and there are an increasing number of exclusions within the policies. So, reading the fine print is really important. I think also a cyber insurance policy doesn't do anything to prevent the problem that it is trying to mitigate against financially. So it's more a backstop than a solution to the problem. Well, I think insurance policies are important. You're not guaranteed to get paid out. So, if you're going to try and create a cohesive strategy, it is a piece of the puzzle. But the most important thing is to put proactive defences in place that cover your major risks as an organisation in the way that you operate predominantly on the internet. If you're just relying on cyber insurance, my advice would be take a good hard look at that cyber insurance and what it actually does for you, and then think about the consequences of actually having to call on that policy, what that will mean for your business. In the event of ransomware, that might be included in your policy, but if that takes down your ordering system and your CRM for a week or longer, what will that do to your business? And then I think you'll realise that it's not sufficient.